Why are there only two of you? I need more. More!
Awesome! Now we can start the first challenge. Your first challenge is to be cool.
Hey man, I was just wondering if
Get
we could be
away
friends.
from me,
Okay, never
ugly
mind.
person!
Man, Pencily, I don't think the new people like me. Well, you can't really blame them for thinking that you are pretty stinky. So you're saying if I stop being stinky, then people will like me and I'll be cool? I guess. Hooray, thanks for the advice. Bye.
Pretty easy challenge, not gonna lie.
Oh my gosh, Wall is the first one safe. Hooray. That means there's only one safe spot left, so you better hurry up, you stupid idiot. And Poopy is safe. Hooray. That means Cocomelon, Pencily, and Milk are all up for elimination.